you noticed some mid-cycle spotting and you think it's a result of ovulation, but you're not quite sure? I'm Nurse Heather, medical advisor with Premom, and today we're going to dive into this topic and equip you with the best knowledge for finding your ovulation day. When it comes to mid-cycle spotting, some women will use this as a reliable indicator that ovulation is near. While you absolutely can experience spotting when ovulation is near, it is not a guarantee that you have in fact ovulated. Some symptoms you can experience near ovulation to indicate it is approaching is things like increased sex drive, breast tenderness, abdominal bloating, a soft, high, open cervix, thin, watery cervical mucus that looks like raw egg whites, and a positive ovulation predictor kit, otherwise known as an OPK. Using OPKs in addition to recognizing your body's ovulation signs is helpful because these tests are effective at detecting your fertile window, which means this allows you to time intercourse appropriately to get pregnant faster. Women who use ovulation tests get pregnant up to 2 menstrual cycles faster than women who do not use ovulation tests. Studies have also shown that by using an app to track your cycle, you increase your likelihood of pregnancy. By using your Premom app, you have the ability to track your cycle, track various symptoms of ovulation. You have access to the in-app camera that will read your ovulation test for you, and access to a physician-designed cycle analysis report and a cycle comparison report that will compare your cycles to last for better ovulation prediction in future cycles. Our medical team is also available for virtual consultations, so please feel free to reach out if you are having trouble identifying your ovulation, trouble tracking your cycles, or any fertility questions you may have. We are always here to support you. I'm Nurse Heather, and I wish you the best on your TTC journey.